The next one is smart door lock. So what is a smart door lock? So it is going to use keyless electronic door locks that are going to let you open your main door without any physical key. So I am without using a physical lock and key, how I am going to use how I am going to open the main door without using a physical key. So it uses smart technology protocols like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. The smart lock can also be opened via touch, voice, or a simple smartphone command that makes the entry point to your home more comfortable, smarter, and more secure. So you can open the smart lock using a touch. Maybe you can give a you can press the palm and the palm will authorize and open the smart lock of your house, or you can give a voice command to open it, or you can give a voice simple command from your smartphone so that the entry into your house is made smoother, comfortable, and smarter. Types of smart lock, lot of smart locks are available in market today, which is minimal effort for access. You should not wait for a longer time before your smart lock releases the lock. Okay, it should happen very quickly. So five popular models are widely used in contemporary homes across the globe. The first one is fingerprint and biometric smart door lock. So you have to have a database where you will store the authorized fingerprints of all the members of your family, and anybody who is going to show the fingerprint will automatically the door will get opened. Okay, so door can be unlocked only by using the fingerprint in the form of biometric. If your biometric system is going to fail, the door cannot be opened. So once your fingerprint is going to match with the existing data in the memory, the door will be opened automatically. If not, a digital door lock sends a real-time alert saying somebody else has tried to gain unauthorized access. Usually, in case of any malfunction, this electronic door will have a backup data for access, so it can be done at the back end by the admin as defined by the home owner. So, in case of any issues, how am I going to make the application run? That can be decided by the administrator. Keypad smart door lock. So first one is biometric. Next one is keypad. So I'm going to give a passcode which is configured in the beginning. So just like a four-digit password or a six-digit password. So you can give the different combination for different members of your family, and they should keep track. They should keep track of the number for incoming and outgoing of people from your house. If there is any data mismatch or security, it will raise an alarm. So in case of technical fault, you can easily set that right by your admin. That is possible. The first one is based on biometrics. Second one is based on keypad, where you're going to press some password or passcode. Next one, smart touch and keypad combination lock. So this comes with traditional keypad that allows you to enter the passcode for opening the door. It also has a touch interface to access the main entrance. So touch plus keypad. So the combination of the previous technique plus touch. Okay, that is available in this. You have a touch GUI to operate. Smartphone accessible lock. As the name suggests, it is only accessible using the smartphone via Bluetooth or mobile data or Wi-Fi. So this type of locks can be completely controlled through smartphones only. So it allows you to give the virtual keys to a friends, family, or anyone to you for a limited time. So you can use the smartphones to control the locks. Only smartphones. Okay, that is using smartphone accessible lock. And last one, FOB enabled smart door lock. So this is accessible without any smartphone. You just need to have a simple fob key that you can store safely in your purse or wallet. So once you reach near the door, tap the fob key on the lock and it will open the door automatically. With one fob key, you can open multiple entries. You can also get it customized, just like your RFID, right? So that is called here as a fob key. So by using a single fob key, you can open the door and get in, and there is a chance of misusing here. The fob key might be misused here because this if somebody gets access to this fob key, they will start using it, right? So there is a chance that the fob keys can be misused. Okay. So now we are going to see how to design a smart door lock for a house. So this safety is going to be the important aspect of the smart door lock. And here we can use Bluetooth to scan the Bluetooth device at the door knob for automatic door locking purpose. So we are going to use the Bluetooth devices here. So it automatically searches for the user and senses the approach and automatically unlocks the door without having to reach for the phone. So it will, Bluetooth is going to uh, be used for a short range network up to 10 meters or maximum. Theoretically, they say 100 meters Bluetooth will work, but practically up to 20 or 30 meters, your Bluetooth will work. So the Bluetooth will automatically sense whether anybody is approaching, and if it authenticated, it will automatically use the unlock the door without even you have to go for the search for the smartphone and unlock your door. The microprocessor will read the signal and verify the signal whether it is the right person to open the door. It is an Android application, so you can go inside and lock the door as well. Okay, so security is very, very important, and nowadays technology is going to make life even more secure. So this project, we are going to use a Bluetooth-based smart lock, which is going to open the door when you're going to sync your phone directly with the lock. So if it will automatically open if the authorized person is detected, and the door will remain closed if not so. And it will open only for a certain delay, after which the door will be automatically closed. Block diagram, you have relays, microcontroller, you have Bluetooth sensor, you have RFID, and you have max 232 cable for establishing the communication. So you are going to use microcontroller. I'm going to use AVR microcontroller. I'm going to use RFID tag, and RFID tag is used to transfer the data for the purpose of automatically identifying the object. So tag will have an ID, and that ID is going to be detected by the Bluetooth system. So tags are powered by electromagnetic radiation from the magnetic field produced near the radar. So typically, some tags have battery. They operate from the battery also. Relay is used to see, opening a lock requires high power, so I'm going to use a relay to ensure that high current is given to open the smart door lock. And you have a switch by a CMOS switch for controlling the opening and locking of your door. And this is your supply, which is your max 232 is going to be the transmitter and receiver interconnection between your lock and your controller. And you are going to have Bluetooth module, which is a low power, high speed microwave wireless link technology designed to connect phones, laptops, PDAs, personal digital assistant, and other portable equipments together. So you can change the technology to LAN, existing wireless LAN I'm going to use, and it is going to be a small size and low cost. And I'm going to use an LCD for display purposes. So LCD is liquid crystal display, which is more efficient than the conventional CRT, as it consumes very less power. And the software, I'm going to use Atmel AVR Studio 5 for writing the program and dumping it into the microcontroller. So circuit diagram, you have all the relays. You're connecting the controller with LCD and with max 232, and this is the power supply for your controller. For microcontroller require 5 volt power supply, so I'm going to convert 230 volt into 5 volt. Okay. Advantages, so using a smart door lock, many advantages are there. It is going to make your system simple. It is going to be easy to access. It is pick proof. Entire lock and electronic housing is well constructed. We can use multiple smart locks also within the same house. Application control of doors and window shutters can also be controlled using smart lock. Faster operation and efficient security system. So it can be used in industries, home and office shops. It can be used for garage doors and gates. When you have separate garage for parking your car, you can use for smart lock for that also. By using smart lock, even the disabled or elderly people can control the lock as well as appliances anywhere inside the house. They are inside the house alone. They can control use this application, and they can ensure that they are safe inside the house. So future enhancements, what can be done? So there can be a smartphone. I can develop an app which will give access to all the guests, and whenever your Bluetooth is on, whenever your smartphone is being sent, the door will be automatically open. So that app can be seen, app can be modified to see who all has opened the door and who all has entered the house. So you can extend this if somebody is trying to break the house, an alarm will be sounded, and you can alert the people that a security breach has happened. So in this project, we have seen how a Bluetooth-based smart door lock system is being used. And the home security system for automatic, it is going to provide advanced security for all the people who are residing in their houses today. So it is built over wireless sensor network. So it is going to be cheap, flexible, and easily installable system without any overhead, such as careful planning, cabling, and construction work. So without any overhead, you can easily make use of the system. So that is what we have for the day. So today we have seen about automatic dishwasher. We have seen about how a smart lock is going to work. Okay, so that those topics we have seen today, and burglar alarm. So we have seen these topics for the day. Any doubts you have, you can put forth.